Incident which has come from Karnataka, where Karnataka Law Minister J.C. Madhuswamy has come under fire for verbally abusing a woman in Kolar. The minister was inspecting a lake in the area on Wednesday when a woman activist approached him alleging encroachment around the Agrahar lake. The minister lost his cool, abused her, asked her, in fact, to leave the spot. Minutes later, the police also intervened, trying to convince her to leave. And amid all of this drama, the violation of social distancing norms was also evident. As you can see on your screens, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has condemned the incident and warned the minister as well. Shrija joining us for more details. Shrija, we saw that exchange of words between the minister and this woman activist. If you can just take us through what really happened there, and obviously extremely shocking to hear the minister talking in this way to a woman.
Well, Avni, the minister in question here is J.C. Madhuswamy, who is the Parliamentary Law Affairs Minister and also Minor Irrigation Minister of Karnataka. And he was in Kolar district of Karnataka to, in fact, inspect one particular lake. And the lake that we're talking about here is the S. Agrahara Lake. So it was at that particular point in time, we're looking at especially over 100 people who have gathered. They wanted to voice their grievances because since the lockdown, according to them, what they tell us is that none of the ministers or even for that matter officials have visited that particular place because they have been wanting to voice their opinion as far as encroachments in the lake is concerned. So for this particular case, what we're talking about is the woman over there, Nalini Gowda, who happens to be the president of Karnataka Farmers Association in Kolar. In fact, she spearheaded the entire Farmers Association right there. She even, in fact, wanted to submit a memorandum to the minister and also went on to question the government policies and also in action on especially the encroachers. According to her, they have encroached over 1,200 acres of this particular lake that we're talking about. And we understand she went on to question the minister as to why no action has been initiated. So it was only around that particular time we understand the minister lost his cool, and we can go on seeing that he is verbally abusing this particular woman farmer activist. Despite that, we understand he does not stop at that. He also goes on to, in fact, he asks her not to raise her voice and then finally asks the police to move her out of the location. Now, subsequently after this, we understand, in fact, there were several of the farmers who had gathered there. They tried to get out the minister for his indecent behavior. But however, we understand that to diffuse the situation, the cops were called, and in that particular midst, we understand social distancing norms were also flouted. So it was just this morning we see that Chief Minister of the state, B.S. Yediyurappa, he has reacted to this particular indecent behavior of the law minister by calling it, in fact, this was very indecent and we are warning him not to do it again. Back to you.
Absolutely, Shrija. Thanks so much for getting us all of those details as far as this incident is concerned.